by ensuring that businesses of all sizes, as well as individual investors, can participate in economic growth. Distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and honored delegates, it is an immense honor for me to address you today at the Berlin Economic Forum 2025, a gathering dedicated to shaping the future of international business, sustainable investment, and environmental projects to advance global development, democracy, and peace. I am from Cambodia. Yeah, when I said the name, some of you who know the country already may remember us as a place with a lot of bad things, with a lot of atrocities in the past, when millions of people were killed for 40 years plus ago. And yeah, but some of you even through your facial expression wonder whether there is a country with the name. Yeah, I can assure you that yes, there is a country with that name, Cambodia, yes. And yeah, it is a country in Southeast Asia. We had a very strong economic growth. Very strong economic growth, one of the strongest in the world, around 7% for the last 20 years plus. And yeah, it slowed down a little bit, but now recovery is back with 6% growth in 2024. And the most important thing of all is that we have a stock exchange. Yes, we call it CSX, Cambodia Securities Exchange. And yeah, so today I stand before you to talk a little bit about how our market contribute to promote a new business culture in the country. Yeah, Cambodia Securities Exchange was established in 2012. So we started to play some role, even if limited one, in fostering dynamic financial environment in Cambodia. So with 11 listed companies and 12 bonds, with a total market cap of only 2.77 billion USD. CSX has facilitated corporate growth and access to capital. But beyond the numbers, we are shaping a business culture that prioritizes long-term value over short-term gains. Before the launch of the stock exchange 12 years ago, people even said, no, we should not do it because we are not ready. Because tax compliance is not good, because corporate governance is not there, because the economic size is still too small. Yes, but anyway, we did it anyway. And after some years, I came to realize that, yes, we are not ready. We were not ready, and we are not ready. But if we didn't start, we will never be ready. So we need to start somewhere. So instead of waiting for everything to be ready, why not contributing to make things ready? Why not contributing to make businesses, to make investors, to make even government agencies ready for the stock market? And that's what we did. Yes, a well-functioning stock market is a fundamental pillar of economic resilience. At CSX, we have created opportunities for business to scale and for investors to participate in Cambodia's economic progress. Some of our key initiatives include strengthening financial markets by encouraging businesses to go public. We foster corporate governance, transparency, and investor confidence. We empower small and medium-sized enterprises by creating a second board. We are still a small market, but we do have our second board with a venue for SME to raise capital, driving entrepreneurship, and of course contribute to create jobs. We are attracting foreign direct investment. So CSX listed companies serve as an entry point for international investors seeking direct exposure to Cambodia's growing economy. Yes, but the future of capital markets is not just about profitability. It is also about sustainability. And yeah, with that regard, CSX promotes financial instruments that support clean energy projects and positioning itself as a key driver, not only for Cambodia's green economy, but also contributes to the nation's broader goals of environmental protection and social development. And our efforts include green bond initiatives. Yeah, so mostly now so far we have 12 bonds listed, and most of them are green or sustainable bonds. So we had our first green bonds in 2024, and then we had sustainable bonds which followed. And yeah, and second thing is that we are implementing, as Professor Mohammed raised earlier, about ESG disclosures. So even if it is a small exchange, we are also implementing ESG guidelines. So people said, okay, no, we are too small, so don't be too strict about the quality of disclosures or the quality of businesses. But no, we need to come clean from the beginning. So we are implementing ESG reporting and compliance. So we are working closely with regulators, businesses, to embed sustainability practices into corporate reporting through ESG disclosures, beginning with S1 and then maybe a few years later with S2. So it will be voluntary at the beginning, but it will be obligatory. It will be compulsory starting in 2026 for both bond and stock issuers. So as we look ahead, we must ask ourselves, how can we use financial markets as a tool for sustainable global development? At CSX, our vision is clear. We want to be a digitally advanced exchange by leveraging fintech and digital trading platforms to enhance market efficiency and accessibility. We want a hub for sustainable finance by encouraging more green investments and green projects to be there, to be listed, of course. We want an inclusive market by ensuring that businesses of all sizes, as well as individual investors, can participate in economic growth. So I believe in the importance of mutual interest. I believe in the importance of social harmony. I believe in the importance of engagement, and I believe in peace. And with that, I wish you all, I wish to conclude my remark here, and wish you all good health, happiness, and great success in all your endeavors. And thank you for your attention.